That meat flavor you've been craving since a kid. We're about to show you how. All spiced up with every flavor profile. Delicious, tasty, smoky, sweet, sour. Super, super good. Here's one of our keto diabetic diet staples. I lost 100 pounds in the last year. This is one of the main meals that I would make to be able to get along the journey. On this epic journey, we're gonna go ahead and take 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, rubbed sage, turmeric, dillweed, onion powder, garlic powder. We're gonna go ahead and use 1 tablespoon of xylitol or your favorite sugar-free sweetener. And we're gonna take a tablespoon of ranch and then throw this bad boy in right here. We're gonna throw in 1 beef bouillon cube. Okay, we've dumped all of our seasonings inside a coffee grinder. We're gonna go ahead and grind it up and get our amazing, flavorful, ready-to-eat school hamburger seasoning. This is what I like to put on anything that is a meat. Beef, pork, lamb, fish. Look at that wholesome goodness. Sweet, savory, sour, smoky, and a little bit of spicy. Goes great on any meat. I fill up an old dispenser, and we are ready to start seasoning. Just go ahead and shake it in there. Ready to eat our meats. Like I said, I like to throw this on any kind of meat that I'm doing. Right now, I'm making a bunch of burgers that I can go ahead and meal prep. So I've got turkey and beef here. We're gonna go ahead and throw this in. We're gonna mix it up. And then it's gonna be ready to cook. All right, it's mixed, it's ready to chill, and then we're gonna put it in patties and start cooking. All spiced up with every flavor profile. Delicious, tasty, smoky, sweet, sour. Super, super good. That meat flavor you've been craving since a kid. Works on any meat or sauteed vegetable. Thank you so much for enjoying the recipe. If you have not already gotten a copy of our Scared of Needles, How I Lost 100 Pounds in 1 Year, please make sure you check the link below to get yourself a copy. It got me to get my A1C regular. It got me to get lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure, got rid of fatty liver, obesity, and of course, no longer diabetic. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.